If you're using Payoneer to receive payments but your receiving account isn't showing up, you're not alone. This is a common issue, and in today's video, I'm going to walk you through the steps to fix Payoneer's receiving account not showing. Now, first things first, make sure your Payoneer account is fully set up. If you haven't completed all necessary steps, some features like the receiving account won't show up. Log into your Payoneer account and ensure you've verified your identity, linked your bank account, and completed any necessary steps under account settings. If you haven't done so, follow the prompts to complete the setup. Now, if your Payoneer receiving account is still not showing up, it could be due to account limitation. Payoneer may restrict certain features until your account passes additional verification checks. To check for any account restrictions, go to your account settings and see if there are any messages regarding limitations. If there's an issue, Payoneer will provide instructions on how to resolve it, such as submitting additional documents for identity verification. Another reason your receiving account might not show is if the Google Global Payment Service hasn't been activated. The service is required to receive payments from international clients or businesses. To check, log into your Payoneer account, go to the Receive tab and select Global Payment Service. If the service is not activated, you'll see an option to enable it. Another simple fix could be related to your browser. Clearing your browser cache or updating your Payoneer app might resolve any display issue with your receiving account. And there you have it. Hopefully, one of these steps helped you get your Payoneer receiving account back on track.